Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nirjana from Leo Tales, and in today's video it will be a Myntra haul. I picked up a few stuff from Myntra, so without delaying, let's get started. All the details, the links and everything will be in the description box, including the pricing. So yeah, let's get started. So this one is my personal favorite also because of the color combination, the yellow and blue, and it goes well with my sling bag as well. I will put up the link of the sling bag in the description box. You can check that out on Amazon. So the top as well as the bottom, they are not transparent, and it's very good quality material, very comfortable to wear. It's a little loose fitting right now, so I'll have to get it adjusted. The palazzo is also very comfortable to wear. The second one is by the brand Palak. I like it because it can also be like a party wear. I can upgrade it like a party wear, or maybe if I wear it with a plain leggings, then I can wear it like a normal kurti as well. This again, it's cream color but not transparent at all. I washed it once, there is no shrinking or anything. The size chart is like true to its size, and the palazzo pants is a little transparent, but that's okay. The top is pretty lengthy, and this is like a very classy combination also. Now this one is like, it's a two-piece dress. You have this inner sleeveless full-length dress, and on top of that you have that coat. I have paired it up with a grey color palazzo. You can also go for maybe a skirt or maybe a leggings or something. The good part is that once you remove the outer coat, then the inner will become a dress on its own. It's a very soft fitting rayon like material. It's a very opaque material also, not at all transparent. You can wear it as it is, or you can pair it up with a denim shrug like I have done here. The shrug is not from Myntra, but I'll put up the link in the description box. It adds so much style to the entire dress. You can actually give it that nerdy look also if you pair it with glasses and a bag, and I absolutely love this outfit. Now, the third way of styling would be, well, definitely, if not for the denim shrug and the inner, then the outer shrug is something that you can wear with any sleeveless top of your choice. So I have paired it with a very long sleeveless kurti that I have. I went with a darker green color. Now, the material of the shrug is very soft, and it has some foil print on it, but it's very soft, very nice fitting, and something that you can wash. It is not transparent. Really nice product. Now the next one is like a full length dress. What I like the most is, as you can see, the neck, the sleeves, and just I would say below the bust and above the waist, there is this transparent lace kind of pattern. It will look just like, you know, part of the dress only, but it's actually the transparent skin that you can see. I like the material. It's not cotton or anything, but it's like material you don't have to iron, and it's very soft and very stylish also. Now the next one is a very simple kurti, something that you can easily pair up with leggings, and you can just wear it when you go out. It's a very soft material. I like the color basically. It's a rosy pink, and it has a violet purplish design on one side. It is very comfortable to wear. It is cotton. It is not transparent, and I like the sleeves also. It kind of adds a glow to the face. Now let me show you a footwear that I picked. This is almost like a Kolhapuri. It is by the brand Shoetopia. You must have seen Shoetopia in most of the websites. So this one is like for 300 rupees or something. Several colors are available. What I like the most is the fringe pattern and the different colored threads. It's still a muted color. It goes with a lot of outfits. Very comfortable to wear. It is true to the size chart. My leg size is like EU41, and it fits perfectly. I have worn it a couple of times outside also. It's very comfortable. Now the next one is a shrug by the brand Sassafras. I pair it up with my sleeveless outfits, and the shrug is kind of semi-transparent obviously, and it is like I would say a chiffon like material. The shrug itself has red, green, blue color, so you can pair it up with any outfit of your choice. You can also wear it with a jeans and a short top as well, but I like to pair it up with long kurti. It gives this very stylish look to this. Now the next one is another personal favorite of mine. It is by the brand AKS. I wore it during my trip last year, and I loved it. It is so comfortable, so fitting, like snug fit. The material is very soft. You don't really have to iron it. There is this tying pattern on the front, so it really, you know, fits well. And it's very stylish also. When I wore it for the trip, I was like, oh my god, this is so comfortable to wear. You can just pair it up with the leggings if you want, otherwise just as it is. So the next one is a skirt top set. The top is not rayon or cotton. It's a bit more stiff but not polyester. It's very opaque material, and it is very transparent and can be a good fit as well. It's very plain also on the front and the back. It just has a border at the neck. Now the skirt is more softer material. It has an elasticated waistband and it has the border design just like that of the top. It's overall like an ethnic look and something that I personally like. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope everyone enjoyed all the products that I showed and the video as well. All the links will be in the description box. You can check that out, or if you have any doubts you can mention in the comment section as well. So we will meet again with another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.